Granite countertops are available in a variety of beautiful colors and patterns that are only created by nature. Each granite slab is unique. Countertops are the visual focus of any kitchen or bathroom. Granite countertops add beauty and durability to your space. If your style is modern, contemporary, or even a traditional style, there is a granite countertop for you. No countertop material matches the striking beauty that granite countertops offer. No two pieces of granite are the same, nor are any two countertop projects we design for our clients. If you are looking for custom and unique kitchen countertops, granite countertops are a perfect option. Granite countertops offer functionality and durability. A major reason granite is chosen for applications in the kitchen is its strength and durability. It is a material that will last you a lifetime. Kitchens, high-traffic bathroom, vanity tops, and outdoor kitchens are a perfect pairing with granite. Scratch resistance is one of the many popular characteristics granite offers to consumers. Most natural stones are porous and require a sealing treatment. We offer a sealer with a 25-year warranty that protects your granite countertop from staining. This sealer is applied once after installation and will protect your surface for years to come. Granite countertops contain a number of different materials. Each granite slab is different, so any piece you select is sure to be unique. The composition of the mineral deposits dictate the unique colors and patterns. Granite countertop colors can range the color spectrum. Granite is also known for the exotic tones available. Some look like artwork with bold colors forming the veins and flakes. These granite countertops normally range in the higher prices, but are well worth the money if you are looking to make a bold statement in your space. Granite countertops definitely have many great qualities. This is why they are one of the most used natural stone materials for kitchen countertops. Granite adds beauty and durability to your kitchen and any other space you use it in.